Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we've got a twin pack with this DCF 787, which is a single speed impact driver, and we've got the DC D778 Type 1, which is a brushless entry level drill. I've been given these to repair. They both have the same problem, and I'll show you what it is. See? Which made me suspicious. I thought this can't be the tools. Both tools is unlikely to have the same problem. The batteries are showing 1 bar each. So I thought I'll put it on one of my old tools I have myself to see if it does the same. So not a tool problem, a battery problem. Right, so this first battery I see connected to it, it's 13.7475, so that's way too low. Connecting to battery 2, got 13.98, which is way too low. You'd want their batteries to be in a range between 16 and 20 volts. That's their operating range. That's not the right kind of light. You need the slow flashing light, slow pulsing light. So both of them are showing that they're not going to charge. Right, to test the cell balance, go from one side to the other. 2.99, 3.01, 2.85, that's a little bit low, but not bad. 2.89. You get the end one, 3.02. A little bit unbalanced, but not severe enough to do any harm. Right, battery 2 now. Let's get it open to see if we're going to do that. Just test the balance of these now. No, the voltage. 302. These are all in the 3.0s, so not too bad. It's not badly balanced at all there. That's not badly balanced at all. That's pretty good, but the voltage is too low. We have two choices with these batteries. Both are recoverable. However, you could go storming in with the jump start method. If you've got no other way of doing it, that is a valid method. But I think you should do, if you're going to do that, you should definitely test the cells first to see what way they are. I'm going to go down a different route. I'm going to use a DC benchtop power supply to bring these up to about 17 volts, and then they should successfully take a charge and we'll be back in business. This is a DC power supply. I've set it to over 17 volts. This is the safe way to bring up your battery. The advantage of the DC power supply is it won't overcharge your battery. It also won't have a problem charging a battery from very, very, very low. If there's any voltage in it at all, it'll bring it up. That hasn't been very long, and I'm going to just start to monitor the voltage of this battery. See how it's coming along. 16.87. I think we could risk taking it off and putting it in the charger now, see how it does. And we'll just put it in the charge. And it's charging. Just repeat the process with battery 2. So voltage in that has come up to 16.69. It's time to try that in the charger too. There we go, both charging happily. Right, I'll just check now. 3 bars and 3 bars. I'm calling that fixed. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.